guys, welcome back. Sarah here from SJM Digital. So I'm just outside at my house. It's a beautiful day. You might hear a bit of shooting because I live near a rifle range. We've got donkeys in the background and some dogs, so we'll try bear with me of the noise. Today, clinic owners, you don't have a lead problem, you have a business bottleneck, okay? And here's what we're going to do about it. Alright, so we're going to cut the crap. If you own or run a clinic, Botox, plastic surgery, dental, dermatology, stem cell, doesn't matter. This might be the most important video you watch all year, because right now there's a high chance you're focused on the wrong problem. Okay, so the real problem isn't marketing. You're trying to patch holes with Facebook ads, rebooking campaigns, discount offers, when what your clinic really needs is a transformation from inside out. I'm not just talking about marketing. I'm not here to pitch some plug and play AI tool or cookie cutter CRM. What I'm here to do is to show you how to think differently, like a real operator. Because the fastest growing clinics are not doing more, they've just removed the bottlenecks that are silently choking their growth. So let me explain. Okay, so you don't have a lead problem. The classic scenario, you say, we need more leads or more patients. But I ask, cool, what's happening with the ones you already get? The reality check, and suddenly it's crickets. No consistent follow-up, front desk is overwhelmed, and leads are being responded to 48 hours later, if not at all. So the real issue, you're not converting the leads you already have. You're leaking money out of every hole in the process. So you don't have a lead problem, you have a conversion problem, or worse, a system problem. So we've got a case study, just having a sip of my coffee, a Botox clinic. So we recently spoke to a Botox clinic, and they keep running offer after offer, $99 units, specials, 15% off wrinkle relaxers. The problem, the leads come in, but crickets after their first treatment. Why? Because their patient journey sucked. The missing elements, there was no structured follow-up, no post-treatment education, no personalised care plan, and no one asking, hey, would you like to rebook before your results wear off? The lesson here, they thought they needed more traffic, but what they really needed was a retention engine. So next we'll go bigger, we'll go to a plastic surgery centre. They had amazing surgeons, top tier talent, right? But their online reviews were quite brutal. Patients complaining about long wait times, confusing pricing, and no post-op care. And so the wrong solution. So what did they do? They hired a marketing agency to fix their brand image. They built a flashy website, ran some Google ads, and guess what? It did nothing. The real problem, because the issue wasn't the visibility, it was the experience. They didn't need better ads, they needed a better infrastructure, a better system. The systems to properly educate your patients, prep expectations, streamline the pre-op, and check-ins post-surgery. The result, so fixing that, it turned the clinic into a referral machine without spending another dollar on ads. But in saying that, just imagine that for a second. Imagine adding their ad spend with the dialed in ad campaigns plus the referrals, your clinic would be humming, right? So next we're going to go on to the growth consultant approach. We don't need to ask, do you want more patients? We ask deeper questions that reveal the real bottlenecks. What's your no-show rate? Are you tracking and addressing the appointment failures? Are you reactivating past clients or patients, or forgetting about them? Because most clinics leave money on the table with inactive patients. What happens after someone fills out the form? Is there immediate follow-up, or do leads fall through the cracks? What happens when someone cancels? Do you have a recovery protocols in place? Is your front desk and consult staff trained to sell outcomes, not just appointments? this is where most clinic owners bury their head in the sand. So we'll go into a few success stories. So the real transformation, Pain Solutions Clinic. They thought they needed more outreach. What they really needed was tighter consult process reconstructing. So we reconstructed the qualification, added real-time follow-up, and trained on the objections. 45% conversion rate, so suddenly converting at 45% with the same number of leads. Same thing for a dental clinic. They had a beautiful waiting room, great dental experts, but they were losing 40% of their new patients on day one. Why? Because their onboarding was trash. Their first impression was a bored receptionist with a clipboard. They didn't explain the value of continuing care. No post-visit follow-up, no nurture. Again, not a lead problem, an experience problem. So stop chasing tactics, start building systems, real growth, get off the hamster wheel and into scalable success. Think like an operator, build a clinic that runs like a machine, fix what's broken, address the real bottlenecks in your business. So here's the truth, if you keep throwing time and money at surface level tactics while your back end is broken, you're just pouring fuel into the fire that burns your profit. The real opportunity, build a clinic that runs like a machine, that doesn't rely on the owner yourself being there 24/7. That has systems doing the heavy lifting, the qualifying, the following up, the nurturing, the booking, the reactivations, all dialed in to increase your revenue without increasing your effort. That's the shift from hamster to operator. And once you think like an operator, you start to build a business that grows on command. So I'll leave you with this. Next time you catch yourself saying, we need more leads, pause and ask, what's actually breaking down in my business that's making me feel that way? Because solving that's what gets you off the hamster wheel and into real growth. If that hits home, hit subscribe. And if you're serious about building a scalable, systemized clinic, there's more coming your way. Until then, stop chasing shiny tactics, start fixing what's broken. Thanks guys, see you again soon.